heard you say something along those lines. Did I not? And he says, well, yeah, but I really didn't mean it. He's trying to get out from under this. He says, you deserve a whipping, and then you deserve a hanging. And I think that would be just a fine thing for you. And in addition to that, I think you should get married too, because in the course of the play, it turns out that not only has he been frequenting a brothel, but the brothel he's been frequenting, he has gotten one of the whores in this brothel with an illegitimate child. So he says, before I hang you, I'm going to whip you, and before I do any of that, I'm going to have you married off so that all your property goes to this whore and to her child. May I suggest that what we have here is Lucio the devil being married off to the whore of Babylon? That's what the symbolism is. Yes, indeed, the whore of Babylon is going to be married off to Lucio, and he is forgiven. Even he gets a certain degree of mercy. He is forgiven the whipping. He is forgiven the hanging. All he has to do is make an honest woman of her and make her child legitimate. I would venture the guess that her child is named Sin. And this is perhaps the greatest achievement of comic art. Now, there are many more symbolic elements that I could pull out of this. When I taught this a few weeks ago at Princeton with